Hello students, today we are going to see class 8 revision exercise 1.4. Now your first question in exercise 1.4 is find the square of. Next one, you are going to see the examine whether it is a perfect square or not. So 725, as the number it ends with 5, you can divisible 725 by 5, that is 5 ones are 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, so 7 5 fours are 20, then 22 minus 20 is again 2, then 5 5s are 25. Next, as the number is ends again with 1 5, you can divisible 145 by 5, that is 5 2s are 10, 14 minus 10 is 4, so 45, 5 9s are 45, then 29 is divisible by 29 1 times. Then write the numbers, write the factors 5 into 29, and then pair the factors. So if you pair the factors, here 5 power 2 into 29, 29 does not appear in pair. So 725 is not a perfect square. Then next question is 1089. So if you see here, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. So this number 18 is divisible by 3. So we can divide 1089 by 3. That is first one in 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9 is 1, 3 6 are 18, then 3 3s are 9. Next, again the number is ends with 3. So if you add the number 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 is divisible by 3. So you can factorize by 3. So 3 ones are, then 3 twos are, 3 ones are. Again 121, 11 times 11, 11s are 121. Again next 11, ones are 11. Then take and write the factors 3 into 3 into 11 into 11, which is equal to, you have to pair, that is 3 power 2 into 11 power 2. If you see this answer, factors are appear in pairs. Hence 1089 is a perfect square. Your next question is find the square root by prime factorization method. So first take the factors of 144, that is 12 times, then 12 ones are. Then write the number in the square root. The square root of 144 is equal to, write the factors in square root, that is 12 into 12. You know very well, square root means out of two numbers you have to take one number. Therefore your answer is 12. And your next question is 4761, which is divisible by 3. 3 ones are, then 3 5s are, 3 8s are, then 3 7s are. Then again with 3 table, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, carry 2, 3 9s are 27. Next 529, in 23 table 23 times. Then again 23 ones are. Then write the question in the square root 4761 and factors also in the square root symbol, that is 3 into 3 into 23 into 23. If you see here, you know very well square root means after for two numbers you have to take one number. So 3 into 23, which is equal to 69. So your answer is 69. Your next question is 9025. As the number ends with 5, you can divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 5 eights are 40. Again 2 is there, which is not divisible by 5. You have to bring the next number. So add 0 here and then 5 5s are 25. Then again the number ends with 5. So in 5 table 5 3s are 15. 18 minus 15 is 3. 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5. Then 361 is 19. 19s are. Then 19 ones are. Square root of 9025 is equal to, write in square root symbol, that is 5 into 19 into 19. Out of two number you have to take one number. 5 into 19 is 95. So your answer is 95. Next, find the square root by long division method. Long division method is a new method we are going to learn. So first write the number and group the numbers into pair by drawing the bar. After that, take the first two number. If you take the first two number, it's 17. So you have to see the square number which is less than or equal to 17. If you see here, 4 into 4 is 16, which is less than 17. So you can write 16, write the 4 in the divisor and 4 on top. That is 4 into 4 is 16. Then 17 minus 16 is 1. Bring both the numbers together. Write the new divisor by multiply the top number into 2. That is 4 2s are 8. Then bring both the numbers together. 64. Now you know very well that formula 8n into n. With the divisor, which number if you multiple, you can get 164. You have to see. So if you see here, the number is ending with 4, no? So in the square table, see the number which is ends with the 4 here. 2 into 2 is 4. So take and write in the place of n 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. Then 2 8s are 16. So write down 2 near the divisor, 8, and then another 2 on the top. That is 82 into 2 is 164. So 164 minus 164 is 0. Therefore, the square root of 1764 is 42. Now your next question is 6889. First group the numbers by drawing bar. Then see to that 68 is here, the first two number. See the number which is less than or see the square number which is less than or equal to 68. If you see the square number, 8 into 8 is 64. Then 68 minus 64 is 4. Bring both the numbers together, 89. Then write the new divisor by multiply the top number by 2. That is 8 2s are 16. Then you know very well the formula 16n into n. As the number ends with 9, the square numbers which is end with 9 is 3 into 3 is 9. Then 7 7s are 49. So first we will try it with 3. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 6s are 18. 8 carry 1. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So write down the 3 near the divisor, new divisor, and then 3 on the top. That is 168. 163 into 3 is 489. Therefore, root of 6889 is equal to 83. Now your next question is, estimate the value of the square root to the nearest whole number. So your question is square root 440. See the square number which is nearest to that 440. If you take 20 square is 400. 21 square is 41. If you see here, 440 is nearest to 441. Therefore, your answer root 440 is nearest to 21. And next question, find the square root of decimal number and fraction. So if you take the first question, decimal number. So convert this decimal number into whole number. As the number is given the point before two numbers, so 289 by, to remove this point you have to divide it by 100. So 289, square root of 289 by 100, which is equal to 289 is 17 into 17 and 100 is 10 into 10. So you know very well square root means out of two numbers, one number you have to take. 17 by 10. As the number is divided by 10, your answer is 1.7. Then the next question is 718 by 49. You know very well the question is in the mixed fraction, means you have to convert into fraction by multiple and plus. So 49 into 7 is 361. So 49 into 7 is 343 plus 18 is 361. So the square root of 361 by 49. 361 is 19 into 19. Square root means out of two number take one number. 19 by 7. As the question is in the mixed fraction, you also convert into the mixed fraction by taking by divide the number. That is 7. 7 2s are 14. 19 minus 14 is 5. So you have to write 2 5 by 7 is your answer. The next one is left out sums in square root by long division method. 11,025, first bar the numbers into pairs. If you see here, the first one number is left without a pair because of the odd digit. Numbers is given. So first is 1 into 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then bring both the numbers together down, that is 10. The new divisor, first you have to multiple the top number with 2 and write the new divisor as 2. Now if you see here, the number is 10, but here the new divisor is 2. If you put 1, you can get 21 into 1 is 21, which is greater than 10. Therefore, add 0. 0 in the divisor and 0 on top. That is 20 into 0 is 0. 10 minus 0 is 10. Then bring both the numbers together. Here 2, 10 into 0 into 2 is 0. Then see to that the square number, if you multiple to get 1025. So the number is ending with 5. You can write in the place of n 5. That is 205 into 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 2s are 10. So write 5 the divisor and top. That is 205 into 5 is start music. So 205 into 5 is 1025. Your square root for 11,025 is 105. Your next question is 41,086. Your next question is 4,18,609. First, group the number into pair by drawing bar. Then take the first pair 41. You have to see the square number which is less than or equal to 41. If you take here 6 into 6 is 36. Then 41 minus 36 is 5. Bring both the numbers together, 86. After that, write the new divisor by multiple the top number by 2. That is 6 2s are 12. Then see to that with 12, if you which number you will multiple to get the number which is equal or less than 589. If you see here, the number is ending with 6. So the square table, 4 into 4 is 16. Then 6 into 6 is 36. First we will try with the 4. If you try with the 4, you will get less than. So first try with the 4, that is 12, 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, then 4 1s are 4. So write 4 in that divisor and 4 on top. 124 into 4 is 496. So minus 586 minus 496 is 90. Bring this 0 and 9 together. Now you know 12 you bring it as it is, that is, and then multiple the top number with 2. 4 2s are 8. Write the 8 next to 12. Then see to that 1828 into which square number if you multiple you will get 9009. So if you see here the number is ending with 9. 3 3s are 9. And then another square number is 7 7s are 49. So you will try with the 7. That is 7. 7s are 49, 9 carry 4. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. 0 carry 6. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 0 carry 2. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Therefore, write the 7 in the divisor and 7 on the top. Therefore, 1287 into 7 is 9009. The square root of 4,18,609 is equal to 647. Next your question is find the least number which must be Your next question is find the least number which must be subtract to get the perfect square and also find out the square root for the perfect square. So your question is 6666. We will go by square root long division method. Just group the numbers into pairs. Your question is 66. You have to see the square numbers. So 8 8s are 64. 66 minus 64 is 2. Bring the two numbers, both the numbers together down. That is 266. And here the new divisor is 8 2s are 16. Then you have to find the square number. Here if you take 2, substitute in the place of n, you will get 2 2s are 4. Then 2 6 are 12. 2 carry 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 324 which is greater than 266. So 161 into 1 is equal to 161. So write 1 in the divisor and top. So 266 minus 161 is 105. Further we can't able to divide the number. So the least number to be subtract is 105. If you subtract 105 with 6666, your answer 6 minus 5 is 1. Then 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then bring the 6. So the new perfect square is 6561. If you take the square root for 6561, first draw the bar for two numbers. Then first pair is 65. See the square number which is less than or equal to 65. Here 8 into 8 is 64. 65 minus 64 is 1. Bring both the numbers together. 61. The new divisor is 8 into 2 is 16. So in the place of n, substitute the value of 1, that is 1 into 1. 161 into 1, which is equal to 161. 161 minus 161 is 0. Therefore, your answer is the square root of 6561 is 81. And last question is, find the least number which must be multiple to get the perfect square, and find out the square root for the perfect square. So your question is 1800. Take the factors. 5 3s are 15. 18 minus 15 is 3. 5 6 are 30. Then 0. Then again with 5 table. 5 7s are 35. Carry 1. 5 2s are 10. Then with 3 table. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then 3 4s are 12. That is 24. Then 3 8s are. Then 2 4s are. 2 2s are. 2 1s are. After that, write the factors in pairs. You see here, 2 does not appear in pair. So, you have to multiply 1800 by 2 to get the perfect square. 1800 into 2 is 3600. So, the square root for 3600 is 60. Thank you, students. I hope you understood the revision. Try to do all the sums in your